Welcome to CAD Concept. Thank you so much to all of our members, subscribers, and viewers. You have shown unconditional support to CAD Concepts community. You are great welcome to join membership. As a member, you gain access to amazing content, free use Lisp routines, blocks, 10x faster multiple project design tutorial, personalized comment and response. By joining membership, you are greatly support CAD Concepts community and also open the door to a new world of valuable content and resources that can significantly streamline your learning and designing process. Your decision to join membership is truly appreciated. This is the best possible way to support those who influenced your knowledge and learning. Join us today. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. To joining membership, you can find the link in description. You can select your tier and open the door to a new world of valuable content. Thank you so much for joining membership. You are great welcome as always.